Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website, and the name of this problem is top competitors, right? And this is a medium level problem. I myself took 15 to 20 minutes to solve this problem, and I recommend you to solve this problem by your end first. At least give it a 2 or 3 times a try and then watch this video. And today is our day 12 of 100 days of SQL challenge, where we will be solving one question each day, right? So let us read the question. Julia just finished conducting a coding contest and she needs your help assembling the leaderboard. Okay. Write a query to print the respective hacker ID and name of hackers who achieved full scores for more than one challenge. Okay. So we want to print the hacker ID and the name of the hacker, but we don't want to print all the hackers ID and all their names, but we need to print only the hacker ID and name of those hackers who achieved full score in more than one challenge. Okay. Order your output in descending order by the total number of challenges in which the hacker earned a full score. Okay. If more than one hacker received full scores in same number of challenges, then sort them by ascending hacker ID. Okay. We have this hackers table where we have two columns, that is hacker ID and the name of the hacker. Then we have difficulty table where we have difficulty level and the score. Okay. We have this challenges table where we have challenge ID, hacker ID, difficulty level. Then we have submissions table where we have submission ID, hacker ID, challenge ID, and then score. Okay. So let me remove this, and so select from this table, that is hackers, and let us say select everything. For everything we have to use a star symbol. Okay, so we got the hacker ID and the name of the hacker. Okay, but we don't want all these. We only want the hackers which scored full marks or full score in more than one challenge, right? So now we have this submissions table where we have this submission ID, hacker ID, challenge ID, and score. So if I join the hackers table with this submissions table on this column hacker ID, which is common in both the table, then I can retrieve the challenge ID and the score. So what score does the hacker get in that challenge, right? So let us do that. So I am giving hackers alias as H, and I am doing inner join this submissions table, inner join submissions table as S on which column? On this hacker ID, right? So on H dot hacker ID is equal to S dot hacker ID. Okay. Now what columns I need to retrieve? I need to retrieve the hacker ID. Okay. I need to retrieve the hacker ID, H dot name of the hacker, then name of the hacker. Then from this submission table I want challenge ID and the score. Okay, so S dot challenge ID and S dot score, right? Okay, let me run this. Okay, so we got the hacker ID, name, challenge ID and the score. Okay, now we have in challenges table we have this challenge id common. So now to get the difficulty level, right, to get the difficulty level column, I can join this with this challenges table. Okay, so from this table I'm using subquery method. So from this table, right, and giving alias as a inner join this challenges table. And why we have to join this challenges table first is because I want to get the score, like I want to get the score from this difficulty table, but we don't have any common column right now. So that's why I will join this challenges first and then get the difficulty level column, and then we'll join this difficulty table on the basis of this difficulty level column, so that we can get the score. Okay, so then we can compare that this s dot score should be equal to this this score, right? Let me show you first. So inner join challenges as C on which column? On a dot challenge id, right? On a dot challenge id should be equal to C dot challenge id, right? And what columns I need to retrieve? Select. So let's say I need hacker id name. Okay, so a dot hacker id, then a dot name from this column, then let's say challenge id, or also let me get, so a dot, I don't think we need challenge id, but to show you guys, let me add this as well. And then a dot score, a dot score, and from this challenges table I need this difficulty level, right? So C dot difficulty level. Okay, let me run this. Okay, so now I have the hacker id, name of the hacker, challenge id, and this how much score did he get on this challenge, and this difficulty level of the challenge. Now to see that does he get the full score or not, I need to join this table with that with this difficulty level table, so that I can get the score. So for difficulty level 1 the highest score is 20, for difficulty level 2 the highest score is 30. So that's why I need to join this as well, right? So from, again I'm using subquery, so from this, right, and let me give alias as b. From this I will do inner join, so inner join on this difficulty level. Now I need to inner join inner join I need to do with this where is the table? Yeah, this difficulty table. Inner join difficulty as, let me give alias as D on this difficulty level. Okay, so on B dot difficulty level is equal to D dot difficulty level. All right, and let me retrieve some records. So select what I need hacker ID name. So from this B table, right? So B dot difficulty hacker ID, then B dot I need name as well, name. Okay, and let's get the score as well, right? So B dot B dot score, comma, then D dot score. Okay, so D dot score okay, let me run this code. Alright, so we got the hacker ID, name of the hacker, and then the score. Okay, so what I need to do, let me get the challenge ID as well. So and from this B table, not A, B table. Okay, so we get the hacker ID, name, challenge ID, and this is the score that this hacker achieved, and this is the highest score in that challenge. So if I do this score that the hacker achieved is equal to the maximum score, then we can say that this hacker achieved the full score, right? So what I will do is I will use where condition, where this B dot score should be equal to D dot score, right? Let me run this. Yeah, so we got all the hackers who achieved full marks, right? Now I need to see that does he achieve full marks only in one challenge or in more than one challenge. So what we need to do, we need to count. So as you can see, this Kevin appearing so many times. So if I do the count of the challenge ID, right? Challenge ID is unique. So if I do the count of this challenge ID by grouping the hacker ID and name, then I can see that in how many challenges they score more than one, they score full marks, right? So let me remove these for now, as we have used these in where condition. What I will do is I am going to count. So for this we will use the count function, and I will use this to in group by condition, right? So group by this. All right, yeah, so as you can see, this hacker Alan achieved full marks in 6 challenges. This Albert achieved full marks in only one challenge. So I need to eliminate those hackers who achieved full marks only in one challenge. So what I can do is I can say that I will use this count. So if we need to filter on the aggregated columns, we have to use having clause. So having this this count of the b dot challenge id should be greater than 1, right? Okay, and let me remove this from here, as we don't want this to print in the final query. Alright, so we got the hacker ID and the name of hackers who achieved full score in more than one challenge. But now we need to order them. So order your output in descending order by the total number of challenges in which the hacker earned a full score. So we need to do order by also. So order by this, in how many challenges they have achieved full marks. Okay, so we have calculate that by count. So this descending, right? Okay, and then if more than one hacker received full scores in same number of challenges, then sort them by ascending hacker id. So then second we need to sort this by ascending hacker id. Okay, so b dot hacker id, and in ascending, and by default it's ascending, but let us write ASC. Yeah, so we have passed all the sample test cases, and let me just submit this code. Yeah, so we have solved this question, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.